All retailers put up posters to advertise the products that they are promoting. Increasingly, they use digital posters on a screen, and often these advertisements can be changed but only in a fixed sequence. These systems are not aware of who is looking at them. By having no ability to interact with their audience, they are not particularly effective, and this results in lost revenue and wasted expense. In WildFace's adaptive advertisement system, a little camera on top of the digital signage will understand the demographics of customers approaching it from a distance and display a relevant advertisement that is appropriate for them. The system is privacy protected and GDPR compliant, so no person can be identified by any user. It can review the profile of a crowd at a long distance, giving sufficient time for it to switch to an advertisement that would be of interest to the majority of those in the crowd. Targeting the advertising to the interests of the persons who are looking at the monitor is particularly effective, as it ensures every person who approaches it sees products that are of potential interest to them. This application is part of WildFace's IQ Retail Suite, which is designed to enhance revenues through more targeted advertising and sales, helping retailers to generate more revenue, increase effectiveness, and improve productivity. WildFace's IQ Retail Suite addresses the numerous pain points of different types of retailers, including malls, stores, and quick-service restaurants. It addresses the numerous pain points of their various stakeholders, from marketing to distribution, and from public liability, health, and safety to parking management. The system works exclusively with Intel computers, which can be located centrally or at the edge, taking advantage of OpenVINO and other key Intel platform capabilities that help to enhance system performance without the necessity to use GPUs.